Hello and welcome back to a new ADV Freedom video. Today's video is I'm going to try to install a new brake pedal on my Honda Transalp 2024. This is the stock one. It's been bended twice now. It was one time, I don't know if you watch my video, the off-road one, it came like 90 degrees up. I took it out. I tried to beat it up and bend it back, but never regained shape, the same one. So now on the maximum level here, it sits a little bit up. So I got a new one. This is a Tusk. This is foldable, I guess. Has some pins on the top. You can find this in Europe, in UK, on a store. It's called AS3 Performance or something like that. Well, it's called AS3, not Tusk, but I think it's the same lever. So this is like 80 bucks, I think. Yeah, so I think I paid $80 Canadians for it. I got it from a Canadian store in British Columbia, shipped to Ontario. I think it's aluminum. I think this one is steel. So they give you like a safety wire, so this will not, hopefully, if it hits something and starts to bend, it will not break. So I don't know where I'm going to attach this. Probably I'm going to have to put like a hole in the skid plate, but we'll see. So let's get to work. Let's take that one down and I'll see how it goes. Alright, so to take this down, I have to undo this one. This is just a holder for this plastic protector. Then underneath there's another screw, and there is this screw, and there is this, because I have the skid plate, I also have this screw. So let's undo this one. This is a small Allen. Yeah, so I took this twice already down, so basically now kind of know what I'm doing. It's not bad. So you have this one. Now let's undo this one, and this is a 8 hex, and this, they are having their own torque, and I think this one is, so basically after you do this, this comes off easily. So there is one here, as I said, one here and one here. This one is the 27 Nm torque, and this is 20. So let's take this one down. Okay, so that's that. And then we have this one too. This is a harder one. Okay. All right, and then the third one. So I have the skid plate one, which so if you don't have a skid plate, this is gonna be empty here. So you're not gonna have this bolt. This is just an attachment for the skid plate. Come on, come out. Why is it so much harder when I film? All right, so at this point, this comes off out of here. All right, and if you turn it around, okay, you can turn it around. There is a couple of things that you need to do. So you have to take this cotter pin out. I already did it. This is a new cotter pin. Replace the cotter pin from the factory. Okay, so that's that. Then you need to undo this spring here, and there's this big spring under. So with one of these pliers, okay, I have to bend it backwards a bit. could put like the other way, so it's easier to remove next time. Okay, so that's that. So once you got this cotter pin out, there is like a pin here that goes through this one, and this comes off. It should, like this. Right, so that's that. So this goes here. So this is the one that pushes this pin out. Okay, you can see how much is bent because in the regular position I put it so much up. So now there's this spring on the bottom, the skinnier plier that you have. Okay, so the hardest part is here. There's kind of like a washer spring. I forgot this name, but it's loaded, spring loaded, so you have to put it apart. Let me get you closer. See, it has two like little ears here. There are special tools for this to do it. What I did is I took a, well, of course I searched on the internet. I don't pretend that I'm smart, but I got a skinny pliers. I put two like nails, put like zip ties. We put this in the ears. Well, I did this like twice already, and you spread it apart. It might go. Okay, so there you go. Same way when you put it back. So, but there is tools you can buy for this kind of stuff. Because I don't use that. This is my first time doing this for this kind of spring. I don't know if I would need it again. So, all right. So at this point, everything is off. I will need this. I will need this spring to put it on the new one, and I just put this backwards, and you move this. You remove this, all this stuff. Come on, come out. All right. So let's look at the pedal. There are two dust seals here. This is one. This is one. It costs $6 on a Honda. It's a rubber dust seal, and there should be one on the other side, and I lost it last time when I took this off, so I don't know what it is. I put it without it. The thing is this new guy doesn't come with this this dust seals, so I don't know why. They should. I don't know. Anyway, so I ordered on the Honda this stuff. Just gonna put it here on the new one. Looking at this too, they look the same. This is heavier, this is lighter, this is heavier. Doesn't matter. Bike is heavy anyway. They kind of look the same. Okay, this seems sturdier. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some grease on this shaft here. Okay, paddle in. Gonna move this back, put it here, push the dust seal in. I guess we can put this spring on. So you might have to redo your like the light when it comes on. So you're doing through this here. Finally. Okay, so this you will have to see when the light comes on. So you just rotate this guy. You have to keep it from the top and rotate this. It will go up and down. So I think you can do it from this side too. should be able to hold it and do it. Okay, so what else do we need to do? Put the bottom spring. Okay, all right. Well, it didn't come in properly. It came out in front. All right, this looks good. Pin back to hold it in place. When I finish with the cotter pin on it. All right, so that's good. So now the hard part comes in, and is this, well, you need a cotter pin here. Let me grab it. Yeah, my neighbor decided to cut the grass. So he's a nice neighbor though, so I'm not gonna say anything. Okay, so now the hard part is to do this. So you put this washer back, and this should go in there. So basically now you put this in the ears. Try to make it like even this sides. It's gonna take a while. The tool is gonna make it easier, but okay, so now this stays in. Just gonna move it here. Just spread this apart. Oh, good, came in from the first. Okay, that's good. Oh wow, that's gonna be harder, but it wasn't, so that is good. Put everything back. Looks good. Red tip. So yeah, what I was thinking is put this here. So basically they're saying this wire is to any branches that might try to get between the lever and the frame. This will prevent or bushes or whatever, or it might prevent this to bend like all the way and break. So I'm thinking either here, but here I cannot do because maybe it's not holding the brake back. I don't know, I might do a hole here and do this. So, and you need to crimp this. Well, of course you can take it out if you pull the wire. It's not crimped yet, so you'll have to crimp it, but probably I'll do a hole here. Anyway, let's put this and set up the height. So the height, you do it through, there's a bolt right, there is this right under here, so you rotate that. So you need to step up and see the right height for you with the boot on. That might be a bit low, and it's nice. Comes the shape comes. Anyway. Alright, so let's see. Just leave it like this for now. That's okay. I'll leave it like this. Let's tie this down. The bottom bolt. Okay. All right. So now, because we moved the position, now the brake light might come off, and I think will come off even without touching it. No. It's actually good. I don't have to do that. So it's not on. Now it's perfect. Alright, so that was the install, guys. If you want to take this off, you can take it off. It's easy. Just pull this out and it's gonna come off. See, just like that. If you want to keep it, it's pretty short to do it here. Maybe to make it like very small and put it under this screw here, but it's a short one, so I don't think it's gonna come on. So what's left to do? Torque 27 millimeters, 27 foot-pounds, 20 foot-pounds. That one doesn't matter, it's for a plastic. So that's pretty much it. Not hard to do. Well, it's hard at the beginning, but so thank you guys for watching, and if it was helpful to you, please subscribe, hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video.